Now you're going to experience a very special constellation. Christel Stjernebjerg is a Danish artist and choreographer. She's been a member of Cirque du Soleil, and right now you can find her at the top of the Aurora.
The coldest night came in the spring. The final frost was late again. We dried the roots, froze the shoots, killed the flowers, and stole the color from the sun. Oh, let the river in, burst the dams and start again. Oh, let the river in, the will of man can hold it in. Oh, let the river in, as the blood beneath my skin. Let the river in, nature plays, nature wins. I hear the breaking of bricks and mortar. I feel the rhythm of the water. Oh, let the river in, burst the dams and start again. Oh, let the river in, the will of man can hold it in. Oh, let the river in, as the blood beneath my skin. Oh, let the river in, nature plays and nature wins. Oh, let the river in, burst the dams and start again. Oh,